Good day and welcome to Unique Math class. In this class today, we'll consider the topic exponential equations and how to solve some problems involving these equations. The first question is 8 to the power of 4x minus 12 equals to 16 to the power of 5x minus 3. Now, considering these two bases, we can express them into a common base of 2. Now, 8 could be expressed as 2 to the power of 3, all raised to the power 4x minus 12 equals to 16 could be expressed as 2 to the power of 4, all raised to the power 5x minus 3. Now, we have to multiply this 3 through by 4x minus 12, and same thing with 4 times 5x minus 3. So this becomes 3 times 4 is 2 to the power of 12x minus 3 times 12. That is 3 times 12 is 36 equals to 2 to the power of 4 times 5, 20x minus 4 times 3 is 12. So that becomes, at this point, from the law of indices that states that when the base is the same, we have that the power become the same. That equals that if we have y to the power of a equals to y to the power of b. Now, since the base here is the same, that implies that a is equals to b. So at this point, these 2 cancels 2, and we equate 12x minus 36 equals to 20x minus 12. At this point, we can collect like terms. We have that 20x coming to the left hand side becomes 12x minus 20x equals to 36 coming to the right hand side becomes positive, which will be that's 36 minus 12. At this point, we have that 12x minus 20x gives us minus 8x equals to 36 minus 12 is equals to 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 2, 1 is 2. So what do we do at this point? We divide both sides by negative 8. So that becomes divide by minus 8, divide by minus 8. So this cancel out, and our x equals to 24 divided by 8 is 3. And not we have negative 3 as a result of this question. The second question is 3 to the power of a minus 1 equals to 243. Now, we can express this 243 to a common base of 3. Now, we have this, that 3 to the power of a minus 1 equals to 243, the same as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That's 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 7 times 3, 81 times 3, 243, which implies 3 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the power of 5. So at this point, from a law of this that state that when we have index of the same base, this implies that we can equate the power. That becomes a minus 1 equals to 5. All right, at this point, we can say collect like terms. So we have that a equals to 5. When this negative 1 comes to the right hand side, becomes plus 1. And that implies that a is simply equals to 6. That's the solution to this question. The third question is 3 to the power of x plus 3 divided by 9 to the power of 2x minus 3, all equals to 1. All right, to solve this problem, we can simply express this, all the base here, to a common base of 3. Now, if we can do that by saying 3 is already here, that's 3 to the power of x plus 3 divided by, we can express 9. 9 is equal to 3 by 3. That is, it says 3 square. So you can replace it with 9. That becomes 3 square, all in brackets, 2x minus 3 equals to 1. All right, at this point, we will have to expand this bracket. And this we have 3 to the power of x plus 3 divided by, what do you have here? 2 times 2x becomes 3 to the power of 4x. And 2 times minus 3 becomes minus 6, all equals to, we can express this one from our zero index in terms of 3 to the power of 0, because 3 to the power of 0 is still 1. At this point, we have that this is the same base from a division law, which becomes if we have y to the power of a divided by y to the power of b, this becomes that y to the power equals to a minus b. So if we apply this rule here, that becomes that 3 to the power of x plus 3, we subtract with this base, with this power, that becomes all in bracket minus 4x minus 6 equals to 3 to the power of 0. All right, now at this point we have 3 to the power of x plus 3 minus times 4 becomes minus 4x minus times minus becomes plus 6 equals to 3 to the power of 0. All right, we have that 3 to the power of x minus 4x gives us minus 3x, and 3 plus 6 gives us plus 9 equals to 3 to the power of 0. Now from our law of Mr. state that when we have index of the same base, we can equate their powers. That becomes this cancel out, and we have minus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. So this gives us that minus 3x equals to, when we take this 9 to the right hand side, becomes 0 minus 9. And we have minus 3x equals to minus 9. What do? We can divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is what? Minus 3. So that becomes minus 3 divided by the minus 3 all over minus 9 divided by minus 3. So this becomes, this cancel out, and our x equals to minus here cancels the minus, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So the result of this exponential equation is x equals to 3.